today's episode. So this is a mechanical keyboard. This is the Keychron 70% mechanical keyboard. I got this on Amazon. I think it was over $80. So this is my day-to-day keyboard, and it's quite impressive. The RGB is all nice, the edge and everything. So this is my day-to-day keyboard, and there's just something that I don't like about this keyboard. That I was traveling, I decided to put this in my bag with my laptop and all that. So only for me to get to my destination, I found out that the keys are gone. Almost 2 keys are missing, and I can't find them right now. So I don't know, this Keychron or keyboard don't normally just the key can't come off easily, and that is one thing I hate about the keyboard. And the reason I'm making the video is that I try and replace these 2 keys that I can't find because of they made a keyboard that the keycap don't stay. Told me to buy the full keycap instead of the 2 keycap I'm missing. Just kind of unfair to me. So which kind of the reason I'm making this video, because I'm so pissed off right now. Imagine you made a keyboard that the keycap come off easily, and you are charging me to buy the full keycap instead of trying to replace the keys I'm missing, which doesn't make sense to me right now. So I don't know if you just doesn't like the stress of looking for your keycap every now and then. I think you should avoid this product. Normally I love the keyboard, I love the sound, I love the feel, I love Effect Premium, but this doesn't. The keycap come off easily, which is why I just doesn't like it. Overall, this is so I'll give this my keyboard a 7/10. I'm planning to get the full keycap since they won't change the few buttons I need. That's why I need to buy the full 10. So that's why I'm making the video. Anyways, this it's a nice keyboard anyway, but I think they should do better. Keychron MS3, I think they should do better. They can do better, because thank you all for watching. Subscribe to my channel.